Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the 4 most popular web browsers in your Xiaomi 13 Pro. So we're going to Firefox now. In the Firefox, when you have this welcoming screen, just click here. On the zero mask, if the background is purple, that means you are in the Incognito Mode, but if you have any tab opened, just click on the tab icon, switch to the zero mask and add a tab. The next one is Opera. In the Opera, just click here on the taskbar icon, choose Private, and add a tab. The next one, Google Chrome, click here on this three-dot icon or arrow icon, and choose New Incognito tab. And the last one, Microsoft Edge, like in Opera, click on the taskbar icon, switch to the in Private, and add a tab. And now your history, completed forms, even the words in the keyboard will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.